As a result of the harm that single-use plastic bottles cause to their environment, there are many ongoing initiatives which attempt to limit their use with the final goal in mind of eliminating their usage entirely. While this is an incredibly important step to reducing the amount of impact humans are leaving on the planet, there is still and will likely always be a necessity for single-use products. People living in areas without clean water rely on single-use plastics to drink from, as they are unable to refill a metal water bottle. And those affected by natural disasters will similarly require fresh water transported to them.
Our solution is to create a completely biodegradable bottle that is lightweight, easy to transfer, and easy to produce. By making a bottle from mycelium, a glue inspired by mussels and slips, we are able to achieve just that. Because mycelium requires very little time and energy to grow, it is far more sustainable than paper and cardboard and can be grown in any place which has access to dark space and fill materials such as straw. While glue and lining will be much more difficult to produce in local facilities, it will still greatly reduce transport costs and emissions compared to that of plastic bottle transportation. The design is meant to mimic a wasp nest, with each bottle being shaped like a hexagon so that it can fit compactly without causing structural damage to the bottle. The lining is entirely waterproof and antibacterial as it is based off the inside of a pitcher plant. This means that the cardboard outside will stay dry and safe to drink from in any condition. The glue, which uses the same structure as the glue mussels produce to stay holding onto rocks, is also biodegradable and cannot dissolve in water, meaning that the integrity of the bottle can remain intact even during harsh weather conditions.
During our design process, we experimented with the corklet as well as different sizes and shapes. However, our audience preferred the simplicity of the smaller drinking part as well as a smaller and more comfortable bottle. We had to consider ease of production as well as ease of use, making it possible to reseal the bottle for repeated use, which our audience described as a must. In the future, we hope to be able to 3D print a model of this bottle and use the print as a mold to create the actual bottle from mycelium. Once we have figured out the best way to grow the bottle, we will start experimenting with the lining of the bottle and attempting to waterproof it. If this project were to take off, we would hope to be able to mass produce it in the future in order to save the planet from future waste whilst saving lives by providing fresh, clean drinking water.